What's going on, beautiful people? It's your girl Eva Ego, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, 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 hey. If you are new to my channel, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and hit the subscription button so you don't miss any of the uploads that I put on my channel. And if you are an oldie but goodie, I mean, you already know which happened. So for 2018, I wanted to do something a little different, you know, for the intro. I feel like I need to personalize it a little bit. I'm going to speak on like some real life stuff sometimes, you know what I'm saying? So I feel like I need to throw, you know, just sprinkle a little bit of life realness. You get what I'm saying? So here we go. As y'all know, I am from none other than Chocolate City, you know, and sometimes, you know, when dudes try to holler at me or whatever, they tend to say the dumbest shit ever. Like, they say the dumbest things to try to get my attention, and I'm like, dude, your cat calling is like, you need to cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. They'll be like, woo woo, stay red. Say red, you in the purple shirt, say red. Dang, say love. You know what I'm saying? I can't stand that, dude. Like, why you gotta do all of that? Why you can't just come to me, you know, without your pants sagging and just introduce yourself like a normal, typical human being? Say love. Say you. Say red. Say red. Damn, man, you thick. You think you got a man, you got an old man, or he gonna let you have friends? Like, why y'all gotta do all of that, bro? Why? Why? Explain to me why. Let's get into this tutorial. Alright, so you guys can already see that I have my face beat and slayed for the gods, okay? And I just want to point out something different that I did, a different product that I did use on my face, which I am absolutely loving right now, and it was my first time using it. You guys already know that in all of my previous videos, you know, I set my face with my Ben Nye banana powder. I have been hearing a lot about the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and this one is in the shade light medium, and I used it under my eyes, like basically just to highlight my face. You guys, this stuff is so soft, and it just, like, you press it into your skin, it just, I'm telling you, I'm like, this is my new favorite. I'm going to have to go back and get another one. As you can see, the title of the video is about the Artist Couture and Jackie Aina collab. Now, when it first launched in early 2017, maybe late 2016, I think it was early 2017, I was not able to get my hands on it. But then right before Christmas, they decided, good old Artist Couture, you know how he do, Mac Daddy, hey boo, he decided that he was going to go ahead and relaunch LeBron. And not only did they relaunch LeBron's, but they also created a sister shade, which was a La Peach. Okay, so now you have LeBron's and you have La Peach. And I was like, I have got to get this. I don't care what I have to do, I have to get it. And lo and behold, I was able to get my hands on both LeBron's and La Peach. LeBron's and La Peach, they retail for $28 each. The signature makeup bag retails for $7, but the bag itself is sold out. So I'm kind of wondering, like, if you get the Jackie Aina collection bundle, like, are there enough bags put on the side so like the people who ordered the bundle can actually get the bag? You know what I mean? I'm thinking that's maybe how they did it. But if you want to get the bag by itself, like, it's no longer available on its own. So if you want to get the bag, you will pretty much have to get the bundle, or you'll just have to get the Diamond Glow powders separately. So yes, I was able to get the entire bundle, this little cute bag, and yes, I have used it. I used it yesterday when I had a makeup client. So yeah, I had my Diamond Glow powders in there, boo-boo, okay? So I actually put all of mine in there. So this is LeBron's. I also have a Le Peach. And then the first one that I ever purchased was a Lickable. So I just put all of my Diamond Glow powders in my little bag here. And when I got LeBron's Le Peach in the bag, guess what came with it? And I was like, holy smokes. Look how awesome is this? So I was able to get the Artist Couture limited edition makeup bag or brush kit bag, whatever, holder thingy. And I was able to get the 2 fan brushes. Thank you, Angel Boo. Love you. So I was able to get those, and I did use the small one, but I wanted to demonstrate to you guys how awesome these brushes are, okay? Me personally, I think that your makeup look, your slay, your Le Soleil is not complete unless you snort a line of Le Peach or LeBron's. I'm just saying. I mean, just go ahead on and hit it, bow, bow. Just get it in there. That's all you gotta do. So your look is not complete and your day cannot start popping unless you just straight up snort a line of LeBron's or Le Peach. I'm just saying. Tell me I'm lying. I ain't think so. I want to go ahead and I've already got the face beat and everything, you know what I'm saying, but I just don't have my popping highlighter on. And you know your look is not complete without your highlighter. Let me show you guys the package itself. So the Diamond Glow powders come in these really pretty rose gold boxes, and you can see that like this one has LeBron's and then this one has Le Peach. So they have the names on the boxes, and the packaging for the actual highlighter also comes with the signature rose gold top. It is very beautiful. You get 4.5 grams, which is pretty decent, me personally, I think. The cap has Jackie Aina's signature on it, and of course it has Artist Couture at the top. And then the bottom of it has, of course, the label for the Diamond Glow powder, which has LeBron's and Le Peach on it. When it comes to the comparison of Lickable and LeBron's, they're almost similar. LeBron's is a little bit darker than Lickable, so you kind of got an array of skin tones that you can fit when it comes to the spectrum of, say, Le Peach, LeBron's, and then Lickable. So yeah, they're all pretty good. Like I said, it was my first time purchasing a loose pigmented highlighter. All of the highlighters that I have are pressed. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you guys so that you can see how gorgeous these are. I mean, I'm telling you, I'm just gonna roll a highlighter blunt and just smoke it. I think that would just make my day. I think that would just solve all of my issues. I will go to work not giving a shit, you know? So we're gonna go ahead and swatch. Dang, my makeup look good. We're gonna go ahead and swatch LeBron's, but this is LeBron's. And then Le Peach, on the other hand, is a lot cooler. So here is LeBron's and here is Le Peach. Le Peach is very cool tone. LeBron's is a warm copper tone. Both are very beautiful. Me personally, I'm a fan of Le Peach, not because I'm of a lighter skin tone, but I like Le Peach. I like the way it shows up on my skin, but it still has that peachy gold, I guess you can say, and it's very, very beautiful. Now, am I a fan of loose pigmented highlighters? I haven't quite mastered it, you know, but we getting there. We getting there. The two are very, very similar, and I'm going to attempt to show this to you guys on camera. I have a really old camera, so I can't guarantee that they're going to show up as good as I will hope. So this here is Lickable, and then this is LeBron's. So you can see how Lickable is just a little bit lighter than LeBron's. So you guys understand that, you know, there is like, it's almost like concealers and foundations. You know, Artist Couture has a wide variety of shades. I'm going to grab my Artist Couture fan brushes here. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Peach, and I'm going to use the small fan brush that was sent to me. And I'm saying it was sent to me, but we're just gonna act like it was sent to me because I want to feel important right now. Okay, that's all. I just want to feel important. So I just want to make it seem like, you know, it was like a PR package or something that was sent to me, even though I don't even think PR packages went out because it was just that doggone popular. I'm quite sure they did, but I just want to feel special. And I'm going to turn, like, just face it straight forward, and it's really good for getting down the center of the nose. Like, whoa. Even if you want to do, like, say the eyebrow, like right up here or something like that, that really gets into the highest point of the brows. I didn't even know fan brushes came this small. Now I'm going to take the larger fan brush, and of course that's going to be to dust over the cheeks. But I will say this, I'm a little skeptical about using the bigger brush because I feel like the highlighter kind of gets all over the place a lot of times when you use a bigger brush. So typically when I'm applying my highlighter, I like to use one out of these two brushes. This is kind of like a medium fluffy brush from Sonia Kashuk, or I will use this one from Real Techniques, which is like a medium-sized fluffy brush, and that's what I use to kind of, you know, dust on my highlighter. But I really want to give the actual Artist Couture fan brush a shot and see which popping with it, you know, which popping. So let me go ahead and just, I'm going to dip into the cap. I'm not going to go into the actual container itself, and let's just see how, I'm so nervous right now. You know, it's very easy to go overboard with this, and I'm gonna do it anyway. Now, extra can get a little out of hand. You know what I'm saying? Like, extra can get a little out of hand. Okay. I think we're cooking with grease now. Okay. Okay. I think I'm good now. I'm straight feeling myself now. Okay. Okay, let's see. I mean, like, first touch on the face is like, ow, I'm feeling expensive. Yeah, yep. I'ma just sniff this after I'm done. Look at my face. Look at my face. Do you see this? Do you see this? Yes, you like it. Yes, girl, you was coming through. You see that highlighter though? Is it blinding? Is it blinding? But as far as the highlighters, bruh, I'm telling you, they're starting to sell out, you guys. The bag is already sold out. I don't think they have too much of the LeBron's and Le Peach left in stock. So if you guys want to get it, please head over to artistcouture.com and shop a Le Soleil. I'm gonna go ahead and just snort a line, you know, of the Le Peach or the LeBron's. or the Liquor Boy. It doesn't even matter as long as it's one of them, because it's a Diamond Glow powder. I mean, I just think that it would just make my day go a whole lot better. Matter of fact, it'll probably just make my year. I'm gonna probably just start, you know, making money. Like all of a sudden I'm gonna get job offers out this world for things that I'm not even qualified to get. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna start having passive income coming in. You know, I'm gonna start dropping weight and things like that. You know, my waist gonna get snatched, my edges gonna be snatched. I don't really have that, but we just saying my edge is gonna be snatched. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna start having clear skin and everything like that, just because I snorted a line of LeBron's or La Peach. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, if you stuck around to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I'll go ahead and list all the social media right here so you guys can follow me. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and like the video, comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's any type of content you guys want to see on the channel this year, then let me know. Make sure you subscribe. So that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, let's try to make 2018 full of laughter, man, because 2017 was like, bye guys.